Alright, so let's look up. We're going to be looking at vowel sounds. Now, we have vowel sounds and consonant sounds, right? So first we are going to look at vowel sounds, then next we are going to look at consonant sounds. But let's start with vowel sounds. Now, vowel sounds. In primary school or in secondary school, you were taught that you have 5 vowel sounds. That was actually wrong. That thing you were told A, E, I, O, and U. They are not vowel sounds, they are vowel letters. So you have 5 vowel letters. Now we have 44 phonetic sounds. How many phonetic sounds do we have? 44. Now out of the 44, how many are vowel sounds? 20 are vowel sounds. And how many is remaining now? 24 are consonants. So we have 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. So we have 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Now out of the 20 vowel sounds we have, 12 of them are monophthongs, while the remaining 8 are what? Diphthongs. So first I will take the monophthongs and next we'll take the diphthongs, but I will differentiate between both, then we take them one after the other. But from what we've said so far, you can see in exam, how many phonetic sounds do we have? 44. How many vowel sounds do we have? How many consonant sounds do we have? How many monophthongs do we have? 12. And how many diphthongs do we have? Okay, now let's start with the monophthongs. Mono means what? One, right? Now, monophthong is any phonetic sound that you pronounce in one breath. If you have something like this, pronounce this for me. This is what? Alright, pronounce this for me. I. You see that you are gliding from one to another, right? I. This one, is it a monophthong or a diphthong? Monophthong, right? Is this a monophthong or a diphthong? Diphthong. Do you get? So this one you're pronouncing in I, you're gliding from one vowel to another vowel. I. But this one just So this is monophthong and this is diphthong. So diphthong from die. You're combining 2 vowel sounds together. Alright. Now we have 12 monophthongs in English. And some monophthongs are long vowels while some are short. Anytime you see any vowel sound written with column by the side, it means it is what? Long. So this is used to show long vowel sounds. And if there is no column, pong pong, it is what? Short. Now take note that vowel sounds are always written between 2 forward slash. So if you just write it like this, phonetic sounds, if you just write it like this, there is a difference between this and this. This is I, this is E. If you don't put it between 2 forward slash, it's not a phonetic sound. It's a letter you're looking at. Do we get that? Even when you're transcribing, you always put slash. And if you understand these things, the 44 sounds, there's no difficulty in transcription. Transcription is very easy if you know all these things. Alright, so anytime you're transcribing or you're writing a phonetic sound, always put it between 2 forward slashes. Alright, now, I've said if you have 2 dots, pong pong, that's column. This is what? Long vowel sound, right? So this, pronounce this for me. E, in English, please. When you're looking at phonetic sounds, don't always choose your answer based on spelling. Choose your answer based on pronunciation. So pronounce it in your mind, not in the exam hall. Everybody, E everywhere. So pronounce it in your mind. So this E, as in what? Sleep. So if you are transcribing this, E, sleep, sleep. When I want to say everything fast, sleep fast, sleep fast. It's sleep. Alright. Now the next, need, read. So you see that most times this E is always seen in most words having double E and EA. Give me one word with double E or EA. Deep, T, C. So most times E is seen in words with EE or EA. Alright, that's E. Next one is E. Is this short or long? Short, right? Pronounce this. Heat, feel, little. Pronounce this. This E. We say This is what? E. Pronounce this. Let, egg, net. Pronounce this. This is A. Some of you find it difficult to write it. It's just you write your shores and add your E. This is A. So it's just your A. So pronounce this one. Man. So if you are transcribing man, what you have in man is this. This A, man. Rag. So if you are transcribing rag, you have this. Rag. So it's A, short. Pronounce this. This A, right? As in fat, cat, ham. Most of them have AR. Most words that have R in them have AR. So fat, cat, ham. All right. Yes. What if we have something like what? FAT and CAT. Okay, FAT. They are short now. Fat. Cat. Now I've told you before there is no C in transcription because C can either sound as K or what? So like in this case, cat. So it's K, S. So there is no C. You can never see C in transcription as you're transcribing. You cannot because C will either be sounding as K or S. All right. All right. Next one. All right. Now the next one is pronounce this for me. This is O short. Now another way they write this, apart from inverted C, you can also see it like this. Like this, like inverted D. So if you see it like this, not O, if you see it like this, they are the same thing. This O. Example, pronounce this. Ox. If you are transcribing ox, what's the spelling again? So you'll be having ox. So this is transcribed ox. So this is a transcription ox. Rod. Box. Transcribe box for me. Don't worry, let's finish. I'll give you what to be transcribing for me. So let's do this together. So box is what? Box. It's box. Remember X, box, axe. Alright, so the axe I talked about is this one, not ask. It's different from this one. This one is coming before K, or this one is coming before S. Yes. If you are in Ghana, how will you transcribe? Doctor, they are even what correcter than they are more correct than the way we even pronounce it. Because as we will transcribe it, we'll see that if you transcribe that thing, this is what you have. So it's actually doctor, not doctor. Doctor. That is their own fault. Now that is their own tongue. Not we are looking at the British English, not Ghanaian English. So when you get to Ghana, you say doctor. All right, now look at this. If you put this from this column, it becomes long vowel, right? So this is all like tall. If you are transcribing this tall, how will you transcribe it? This tall. This is tall. Tall. If you pronounce this one, raw. If you are transcribing, okay, Rau. This guy is from Ghana. So this is raw. If you are transcribing this, cut. The C here, is this something as So this is cot. Yes. COT. COT and CUT. We'll see CUT somewhere. We'll get to CUT, even COP here. But this one, cut. Cut is a short of cut. Cut. Then this one, you have your cat. Don't worry, we are getting there. This one is what? Who, right? There's no short who. It's already short. So who, like look, put. Alright. Now this is what? Who, as in rude, broom, broom. Give me another one. Room, room. No problem. Pronounce this one. This one sounds like your short R, but here it's as if the back of your tongue. Please bring out your tongue. Like bring out in. It's like the back of your tongue is rolling. And like it's hanging, like you chop frog. See? Alright, so this one is sun. This one is still sun or san, depending on English or British. Now, this one is what? Cap, right? Bring the cap. Wait till they talk now. They will give you but. Now, this is what? Pronounce this. This one is still like you are like so, but normally pronounce it our normal but it's so like girl. Pronounce this one. Pronounce this one. Word. Open the word of God. It's not word, but what? Word. The word of God. Pronounce this. So this one, the sound is just like in between A and E. But sometimes we use our A, but or around is around. It's not his around. It's not around, it's around. It's about to go down. Above. So it is not around, about. So that's that. So these are the 12 monophthongs we have. So we'll look at the diphthongs, and we'll move on to consonants. We'll take some past questions under this, and we call it a day on this topic. Alright, shall we monophthongs. Now the diphthongs. We said how many vowel sounds do we have altogether? How many vowel sounds do we have? 20, right? And how many monophthongs? 12. How many diphthongs? 8 to complete. I with the examples. So where are we? Here, right? I. So this I. Pronounce this. Minds. So if you are transcribing this is minds. Pronounce this. Now this th is either pronounced as this or this. So this is what? Thigh, right? Thigh. This is what? Thigh. This is what? I. We'll transcribe as we go on, but now we want to know those the vowel sounds. We are coming to consonant sounds. I will see when to use this and this. Alright. Now this is what? Ow, right? Ow, like cow. If you are transcribing cow, what do you have? Cow. So you see, transcription is not hard, except some of them that our Nigerian English mentality tongue have confused us. So long as you can pronounce it rightly, you can transcribe it. So cow, noun, how. Pronounce this one. Oil, like boy. Pronounce this one for me. We saw it the other day that it is not transcribed as, this is wrong. It's not boys, but what? Boys. Boys. Not boys. Boys. 10 boys. Not 10 boys. Not boys. So boys. This was oil. Foil. Alright. Now, this one. Pronounce this. The reg. Not ria. Idea, right? Not idea. You get idea, talk now. Idea. Come here now. Come here. This is not here. It's not transcribed here. But it's transcribed what? Yeah. Pronounce this one. Like hair. This transcribed hair, not hair. Hair. Your hair is swine. Pronounce this. There. There. Not there. There. It's there. Alright, pronounce this. Please, just like I said, diphthong you pronounce it in one breath, not uer. Pronounce this. Sorry? Sure. Are you? Please remain your tongue for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Pronounce this. Alright, so basically, are you sure? Please, if you are pronouncing it, it's not, hello, listen. It is not a must that this thing must come out as open as, even if you are if you are pronouncing something like this, you know, this beginning is this, right? This is just describing the shape of your tongue. You must not say think, draw your tongue like this, think, for people to know that. Think. It must not be so. Same thing here. You must not pronounce sure. Are you sure? Are you sure? Basically, what you have to know, by the time we combine all, we'll get something reasonable from it. But basically, what you have to know now is we have 20 vowel sounds, and out of the 20, how many are long vowel sounds? 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 No. I did not give you how many are long vowel sounds. I gave you. So how many long vowel sounds do you have there? E, A, O, U. Which other one? I've said all. Alright, but we have how many monophthongs? 12 monophthongs and how many diphthongs? 8 diphthongs. So to complete the 44 sounds we have in English, we have 20 remaining, right? We have 24 remaining. So the remaining 24 are consonant sounds, and I'll be taking consonant sounds next. Alright, so that's where I'll end this one. Let's go to consonant sounds. Then we'll take